Oh, let him run, let him run.
Maybe I will. Keep that right tip up.
Oh, this could be bad. Oh, that's bad. Let him run a little bit, let him run.
Nice bug.
Oh, I don't know, that might be a brown.
Might be.
All right.
Lift your arm straight up in the air today.
Oh, he's gonna run, let him run. Oh, all right, pull him across the top.
Yeah!
Nice!
Woo! Good job.
That's a
nice
sweet
brown.
fish.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Oh, wow, that is a good one.
Yeah. Sweet fish.